Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, today I'm back with another wonderful strategy to trade on step index, just only 30-minute time frames and 15-minute time frames. So this today's strategy is one of the powerful strategy I'm going to show you guys, because you are going to be scrapping this market for long period of time, because you are going to find a best entry for you to enter and the best time for you to take your profits. So guys, let me show you the settings of this channel, of this indicator, so you also can have it on your phone. So the settings we have here is just only three indicator. We have the alligator, we have the oscillator, and we have the moving average. So in our alligator, we have our first period to be 13.8. Just screenshot it the way I have it here, so that you also can have it on your phone. Screenshot it, and then you press on done. Then we will move to the first indicator window, which is the oscillator. We have the K period of 14, the D period of 3, the slowing of 3, the price feed of low and high, and we have the methods to be simple. We have our two style in black and blue. So you press on done. So we have moving average here. So the moving average of 20, 80, 90, and 10. So you press on done. Then you have your moving average, the moving average period of 10, shift of 0, methods to be simple, apply to close, and you have black as the color here because my background is white, so that's why I'm choosing black color here. So you press on done, and you will have same settings the way I have it here on my step index 30-minute time frames. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can trade with this indicator, with this strategy on 30-minute time frames. I'm going to show you also on 15-minute time frames. So on 30-minute time frames, you need to understand how this alligator works on your main chart, which is exactly this. We have three alligator at this particular movement. We have the green one, and we have our red line, and we have our blue line. So anytime we are having our green line that is crossing on a downtrend, like what we are having on here, anytime you are seeing the green line that is crossing over the two alligator side and is moving on the first trend down, that means we are having our market on a downtrend. But if you see it crossing over on a uptrend, then it means we are going on a uptrend. Like what I want to show you guys now. You see, if it's going to be on a uptrend, I'm going to show you now. That means our green line is going to be on the upper area. It's going to cross the two alligator again, and it's going to be on the uptrend. You see, which will be the first green to appear on the uptrend. But if it is the first green to appear on the downtrend, then it simply means that the trend of the market is on the downtrend. So guys, what we are going to be combined together is the alligator with the oscillator window. So what we are going to be target on the oscillator window is when we have our oscillator 9 that is reaching our 80 level and is going to be reaching our 90 level. Is it that the alligator reach your 980 level or it reach your 90 level? And also, once that one is confirmed, then you also need to wait for this moving average, which we choose as our black, to cross over 80 level. Once it's crossed over 80 level, then you need to identify that particular areas. That this particular area is as giving you a confirm entry. But you are not going to confirm that because you are going to check your alligator also. Maybe it's respecting it also. Now, our oscillator have given us a confirmation that this market has been on a uptrend for some times and is going to give us a downtrend for some times now. And also our has reached that same level, which we have to our confirmation, and it said it's giving us a downtrend. But if we check our main window, we can see that the alligator is still giving us a green as an uptrend, which we have to be patient very well at this particular moment. You see that? So it's giving us a uptrend at this particular moment. So if you have enough fun now, you know that this market is going to come down on a downtrend. We know that one is for sure, but the market is going to reverse for some times before it's giving us a good confirmation of a downtrend. You see what happened here? The market set down a little bit and give us a uptrend a little bit, and before giving us a downtrend that we expect. So that's exactly how it works. So, and also if we keep on checking, that's the first confirmation I want you guys to understand. Let's check this second confirmation and see what the market is about here. So I told you guys that we are going to be wait for it to confirm on the 80 to 90 level, which is what we are having here, and we are going to be confirming our moving average on the level of 80 or on the level of 90. But we see here that our level here is giving us a 80 level before the reverse take over. You see that? So is either you immediately we are having our moving average that is reaching that same 90, which are going to help you to catch down this particular trade up to this moment, or you wait for an alligator to move on a downtrend level. You see, at this particular area, it move on a downtrend level, which I have explained before, guys. You see now, so you are only having the ability to take down this particular trade. Your stop loss will always be the last trade candlestick that you see before you enter your trade, and you can take your profit 1, profit 2, and you can out of your market. Don't just spend a lot of times unless you are open the lowest loss size, maybe 0.01. That is when you have a chance to stay in the market for long period of time. But if you are not open for that, and you are only open to scrap the market and leave the market, then that is the best time for you to exist. So let's check some downtrend also. I told you guys that if we are having a downtrend, we are going to be having our alligator green line that is crossing the two trend. You see now it crosses at this particular level, and we can see that it gives us a uptrend before it come on a downtrend. But the uptrend have already begin at this particular moment, because it could respect our oscillator and moving average. I told you guys that our oscillator is going to be reaching 90, or is going to be reaching 10 to 20 level on a downtrend, and our moving average is going to be reaching our 10 level. You see that at this particular moment. Now you see that you can enter your trade here if you are not going to be waiting for the alligator. So you enter your trade at this particular moment, and you catch up your uptrend. But if you are waiting for the alligator to confirm before you enter, after this one has been confirmed, then you need to wait for this moment. So once the alligator give a green and an uptrend, then you enter your trade, and you keep on taking this uptrend, just little uptrend there, about like 4 candle, just 4 candlestick on 30-minute time frames. You know how much that is going to be on 30-minute time frame for just 4 candlestick. You see that? So you are just going to scrap that and exist the market. So guys, that's how it works on 30-minute time frames. So let me show you guys how it works on 15 minutes or so, guys. So you see, this is 15-minute time frames. Currently now we are having our oscillator that is going to be moving on the same level here. You see, we are having our moving average reaching the 10 level now. So now we are not waiting for the alligator. You might wait for the alligator, but if you are not waiting for the alligator, you might enter your uptrend at this particular moment, and leave it with a couple of times. So, but you are going to be open it with the lowest loss size, which is maybe 0.01 or 0.02, because the market might reverse before taking an uptrend. But if you wait for the alligator, then you can easily open with your loss size, your normal loss size. Then you take your scrap trade, and you exist the market. You see, guys, so that's exactly how it looks like. So on this particular moment now, I'm going to be entering this particular trade after I'm done with this video, because I'm going to wait for a long period of time for you to respect it. So let me show you another confirmation. You see, we have another confirmation at this particular area also, which I show you guys that there is going to be an uptrend. Immediately we have our oscillator on the what, on the 90 level, and we have our moving average on the 90 level. You see that it's going to respect that moment, which is respect here. You see, it give us a what, a downtrend little bit, and the market keep on reverse before giving us a what, a great downtrend. But if I'm going to be waiting for the alligator, then I'm going to be entering my market around this area, because I can see that the uptrend have already take over, and I'm waiting for the green to what, to come to a what, to a downtrend, side. You see, I have it here, but it's not fully confirmed before the reverse, and I could able to what, to take it on this second chance. You see that? So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So we also have room for mentorship for guys. You can also reach us on our Telegram, and we have it on the description of the video. Thanks.